So this is what it looks like in our chamber after we've snowed for 24 hours. We typically will actually continue to snow for 48 hours. The unit has to continue to operate, it has to defrost, and it has to function as normal, just like we would expect it to do in the field.
We rained down on it at 5 psi for 2 hours. The first hour is with the fan turned off, the second hour with the fan on. Throughout that test, we'll periodically do what's called a dielectric test, where we check for short circuits or any grounded circuits that would cause a safety concern for a technician working on the unit in the field. Once we've completed all that testing, our technician will tear the unit apart and make sure water didn't get into any locations that it's not supposed to get. We want to make sure that we are producing a safe and reliable unit for our customers.